Hello friends, welcome to a new chapter today. In this chapter I'm going to show some pictures of benign tumors of lung. I have already done the proper lecture on this, but I would like to even show these pictures also. So this is hamartoma. So in this hamartoma you can see the tumor which is here, and this tumor consists of cartilage, fibrous and fatty septa, and it also has cystic spaces which are lined with cuboidal epithelium. Okay, so this is the CT scan of the hamartoma, which is showing popcorn calcification. So this is the popcorn calcification that we can see in hamartoma. Then we also have next benign tumor is solitary fibrous tumor. So this is solitary fibrous tumor. It is located peripherally. Solitary fibrous tumor, so it is made up of fibrous material. So you will see collagens, which are collagen fibers which are lacing together, and you can also see fibroblast cells at some places. Okay, so this is the interlacing collagen fibers and fibroblasts are seen. So this is the solitary fibrous tumor which you can see on the CT scan. Then chordoma. Chordoma is a tumor of cartilage. So it is a tumor entirely present in cartilage and covered by bronchial epithelium. So these are the multiple chordoma lesions which you can see in the picture. Then I have already shown you about I have already told you about the mesothelioma, right? So we have three different types of mesothelioma. Sarcomatoid type, where the cells have spindle shaped cells, and this is in epithelioid cells of tumor where you see different epithelial cells. Okay, so this is the tumor which is invading mainly the pleura of the chest wall. Okay, so this is the neoplastic growth encompassing the right lung and infiltrating the interlobar fissure. It is mainly invading the parietal pleura and pericardium. It mainly involves the parietal pleura. Okay, so these are the different images of PET CT scan where you can see the tumor, right? Combined CT images where you can see the tumor growth, because in PET scan you can see that the tumor growth is mainly highlighted, because in PET scan we do 5-fluorodeoxyglucose, which will be mainly taken up by the glucose cells, by the tumor cells. The tumor cells require more glucose for their anaerobic respiration due to Warburg effect, and that is the reason why we take this glucose is taken up by the tumor cells. Then so these are not necessary. Yeah, so this is the main important, these are the three important tumors. Okay, so these are the metastasis. In the metastasis in the lung you can see these cannonball tumors. This is snowstorm pattern which you see, where most of the lung is has been lost. Sometimes you can see a solitary nodule also. So in the metastasis you have in the metastasis you can have three different patterns. One is cannonball pattern, then we have snowstorm pattern, second we have the solitary nodular pattern. Okay, so these are the benign tumors of the lung. Thank you guys for watching my lecture. Thank you.